Is Cash Camel really a way to take easy service and get paid in cash, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I have decided to test it, and in this Cash Camel review, I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons so you can easily find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log into the app and show you exactly how it works and how you can earn, then let's go over who can join, because Cash Camel is an app. You can go to the website. You see, it's actually not called cashcamel.com or anything like that. It is the name of the company behind, as you can see the URL up here, where you can find more information. But it is an app that can be downloaded both for Android devices and for iOS devices. And they do not say anything about exactly which countries it's available in, but from what I've been able to find out, it is available in a lot of different countries. But the only way to know for sure if it's available for you or not is to basically just go to the App Store or to Google Play Store and see if it's available in your country. If it is, you can download it, you can start earning. And also feel free to share in the comments below if you have tried to download it and which country you're from and if it's available or not. That way we can help each other to figure out exactly which countries it's available in and not. But let me now then log in, and then I can show you how you can earn so you can find out if it's even worth it. So I have now logged into the Cash Camel app, and it's quite easy and user-friendly, I must say, compared to many other apps where you can earn. But if you see down here the home button, that is where you can see the service that are currently available. And you can see the estimated time, how long it takes, and you can see the reward that you will get. And there are many kind of what you can call profile service when you first join. They are very easy to take, and you will get a minimum of 20 cents in general for the surveys. So for some of the shorter surveys, it's quite good pay you get for your time compared to other survey apps. But for some of the longer also, it's not that great. You will of course get more. There are surveys that pay a lot more than 20 cents, but that's the minimum, which is definitely great. But overall, I would say, like, it pays average compared to other survey apps. I have tested hundreds of different survey apps. I also have a video about the top survey apps. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. But it's very basic. You just see here the service that are available. If there's one you want to take, you just click it. You just fill out the questions. Sometimes you'll qualify, sometimes you'll not. That's just how it is with paid service. If you qualify and you complete it, you will earn whatever was promised. The estimated time, in my experience, is fairly accurate here. And then once you complete it, it will be added to your balance. And this is the main way to earn on Cash Camel. But there is a way to earn a bit more. So let's also talk about that. At the bottom, you can also see an icon for locations, and this is where you can allow location access, and that means that they can basically track your location, and then they can send you location-based push notifications. So this is basically usually ads depending on the area you are in, and you can earn by doing that. And you can also just allow regular push notifications. That's not something you will get paid for. As you can see here, if you receive one of these location-based push notifications, you will get 5 cents. How many you will get, that entirely depends on the location you are in, and of course also the current advertisers they have. But it's not something that will earn you a lot. In some places you might not get any at all. You might get one a month or something like that. Other places you might get them more regularly. It's not an effective way to earn. It's a little bit extra if you do not mind these push notifications. So that's completely up to you if you want to use this option or not. I just want to show you so then at least you know the option is there. But when it comes to any service side, any app, any way to earn online, of course, it is extremely important to know how you can get paid. So let's also go over the payout methods. You go to this icon, the dollar or the money icon there, and then you can see how you can get paid. And the options you have right now, as of recording this video anyways, is PayPal. So you would just need to write your PayPal address, and then once you've earned $10, so that means the payout threshold is $10, then you can request for a payout. So I would say the payout threshold, it's kind of like average for a survey app. There are a lot of service sites and apps that pay out already when you earn like maybe $1, $5 or so like a lot faster. I also have a video about the fastest paying service sites. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can also check that out. But it is a fairly low payout threshold. It is not too difficult to reach, but also not super fast. So that is something you need to be aware of. But it does pay. You can actually get paid by taking service here. So it is a legit app. That's of course also very important to know, because there are scam apps and you don't want to end up taking service or doing different tasks and then end up not getting paid. Cash Camel does pay you if you do everything honestly. It's just not one of the most effective apps that I have tested. So to sum it all up, Cash Camel can be an app to earn a bit extra if you like taking paid service. I like that it's very user-friendly. Many of the surveys are fairly easy to do, and also you will earn a minimum of 20 cents per survey. For some of the surveys it pays quite decently, for others not that great. Overall, I like the whole usability that you can get paid in cash, but compared to the hundreds of other service sites and apps I've tested, it's just kind of what I would call average. And with so many options out there, I personally prefer just using the top service sites and the top apps, and that's why I would say like Cash Camel for me, yeah, it can be a decent extra option, but I would prefer focusing on other options. I'll also leave a link below to a list where you can go and find the top service sites in your country, because which ones are the best really depends on your country. So you can go there and check that out. That is the ones that I would recommend if you want to earn the most effectively with service sites and get paid to sites. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you a good idea about what to expect from Cash Camel and if it's the right opportunity for you or not. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time we see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.